In this video, we'll show you how to clean the grind chute on your grind control. For this process, you'll need the provided cleaning brush and a vacuum with a hose or similar attachment. First, remove the bean hopper. Rotate the knob counterclockwise to unlock the hopper, then lift up to remove. Vacuum or clear the grinder of any remaining coffee grinds. For further cleaning, you can also use any commercial grinder cleaning tablets. Set the grind size on your unit to the coarsest setting. Then grind through the tablets. Once the tablets have been ground through, please be sure to press the cancel button before your unit activates the brew cycle. To remove the outer burr, rotate the knob clockwise, then lift up to remove. Vacuum or clear any beans or grinds that may have been underneath the burr. Next, let's clean the inner burr. Remove the cleaning brush tool. Use the cleaning brush to loosen the grinds on both the inner and outer sides of the burr. Then vacuum the loosened grinds. Press the open button to open the door on the unit. The disc should rotate to the 12 o'clock position. Remove the filter basket, then unplug the unit. Use the cleaning brush to loosen the grinds around and inside the chute. You can also insert the brush into the chute to push the remaining grinds into the grinder. Then use the vacuum to remove and clear the chute of any loosened grinds. To ensure your grind chute has been fully cleared, try shining a flashlight over the inner burr. You should be able to see the light through the chute. Once the chute has been cleared, reinsert the cleaning brush. Reinsert the outer burr. Twist the knob counterclockwise from the align to lock position. Reinsert and lock the bean hopper by twisting the knob clockwise. Next, reinsert the filter basket, then close the door. Plug your unit back in. The unit will power on and is now ready for use.